Eubacterium. A bacterium of a large group typically having simple cells with rigid cell walls and often flagella for movement. The group comprises the true bacteria and cyanobacteria as distinct from archaebacteria.
Mr. Peña, can you share any ideas about eubacteria?
Eubacteria is a type of bacteria that bacteria is a pathogen that can, when you say a pathogen, it can directly cause sickness or an illness or disease to a human being. Well, if you say eubacteria, a eubacteria is something like a prokaryotic cell. It is usually thin on the daily living of human beings. That's all I know about it.
Can you give any type of eubacteria?
They're like, I think if I remember and my memory serves me well, eubacteria is divided into 5, and I can only remember at least 3: the Chlamydia, the gram-positive bacteria, and cyanobacteria.
Can you give a type of disease that Streptococcus causes?
Streptococcus is a type of eubacteria. It has no, when you say prokaryotic, it has no nucleus or lacking of nucleus. So when you say Streptococcus, it can cause pneumonia. We call it Streptococcus pneumoniae. It has many Streptococcus, Staphylococcus. Streptococcus pneumoniae is something. It has something to do with the coughing, sneezing, and phlegm, or something to do with the lungs of the person. It can cause death if not treated as soon as possible.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Leptospirosis can be transmitted to humans through cuts and abrasions of the skin or through the mucous membranes of the eyes, nose, and mouth with water contaminated with the urine of infected animals. It has been found that the largest number of Leptospira bacteria are in the urine of rats. Anybody can be infected through contact with water, soil, food, and vegetables that are contaminated with urine of these animals. Are you aware that when your oil glands swell and result to pimples, they are infected with the bacterium Propionibacterium acnes? A lot of human diseases are caused by bacteria. Tuberculosis, one common disease in the Philippines, is caused by bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Bacillus anthracis is responsible for the disease called anthrax. The bacterium is found in the soil and can survive for many years. The disease affects animals like cows and carabaos but can be transmitted to humans. Skin anthrax occurs in the Philippines through contact with animal tissues or their products. Inhalation and intestinal anthrax caused by inhaling. A bacterium found mainly in the intestines of vertebrates and in the soil. E. coli is naturally found in the large intestine of humans. It feeds on partially digested food moving from the stomach to the small intestines. These bacteria meanwhile provide the much needed vitamin B12 that otherwise the human body cannot produce. E. coli, however, once present in other areas in the body, can produce poisons, causing diarrhea or kidney damage, and even death. Streptomycin. An antibiotic used to treat tuberculosis and certain types of pneumonia is made by Streptomyces griseus. Streptomyces venezuelae, on the other hand, produces chloramphenicol used in killing bacteria that cause typhoid fever and skin infection. Antibiotics are substances that kill or inhibit disease-causing organisms. Do you know that certain bacteria are used to produce antibiotics?